Hi, welcome to Colin's World of Cooking. Hi, today's recipe is pasta with meatballs and a rich tomato sauce. Actually, it's the tomato sauce that we saved from our Italian poached eggs yesterday. For those of you who want to know how to make the sauce we made yesterday with the Italian poached eggs, and we saved it. So if you want to know how to make the sauce, go back, have a look at the video Italian poached eggs, and you'll see how we made the sauce. That's why this video is a very, very quick one, just like the meal itself is very, very, very quick to make and finish. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Let's go cook. The ingredients for this are very, very easy. The sauce that we made yesterday with the Italian poached eggs, which we saved some from, see the video. Some pepper, some crushed chili flakes, and some sausages, preferably Italian sausages, but if not, you can use any sausage. These are Cumberland, but try and get something that's got a little bit of flavour in it. There's plenty of varieties in the supermarkets. And of course, pasta. I'm using short penna, but it's much better with spaghetti, but I don't feel like spaghetti today. But anyway, the choice is yours for the pasta. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go put the pasta in the water and let that boil for 10 minutes, and I'll prepare then the meatballs. Right, how to make the meatballs? Like I said, get a couple of sausages. I've used Cumberland sausages because they've got some flavour to them, but get some flavoured sausages. You can use normal pork sausages if you want, but you've got all these different flavoured sausages out there. If you can get a good Italian sausage, even better. So a quick way to make meatballs is then take the skin off of the sausage. So we don't want the skin, so remove the skin. Best way to do this is to make sure that your hands are wet. Okay, we've got that one done, and then we'll de-skin this one. So just peel back the skin from the sausage, exposing the sausage meat. You can buy sausage meat actually in the supermarkets, but you can't buy it flavouredly. They make the sausages now. Okay, so with the sausage, all we're going to do now is take off little bits like that, roll it in our hand, and there we have a meatball. Now obviously it's a flavoured meatball, in this case it's Cumberland sausage. But try to keep them all a bit the same size, not too large, because we want to be able them to cook through quite quickly. So I'm just going to make all the meatballs here. What I like to do here is roll them, add a little bit more pepper. So I like to cover them in pepper. Don't worry about the pepper going everywhere, because we're going to just roll them in the remains of the pepper. So we'll get them covered with some pepper, just to add a little bit more flavour to it. Okay, and then also, as I always like to spice mine up a little, I'm going to put a few chili flakes, not many, just a few chili flakes. There we go, and we'll roll them into the pepper, the remaining pepper, and there we go. And because they're a little bit wet and moist, they should take up on the pepper that's gone all the way in the side. See, look there, and the chili flakes as well. Okay, and now we've got some prepared meatballs. So 2 minutes, we're there. So all we've got to do now is cook. Right, as always, get some heat on the pan, a couple of teaspoonfuls of oil, not too much, but you need a little bit of oil here because, as you know, we're going to do the meatballs. Let that heat up just a little bit. get hot very quick, it's on a high flame. And then what we do, we then just put the meatballs in. And we let them start cooking away. Now the meatballs should only take a few minutes to actually cook through because they're not that big. Anyway, we'll let them start to cook. We have to cook them until they're obviously brown on the outside and cook through to the inside. So go a little bit careful with the heat because you don't want to burn them. As you can see, the meatballs are almost cooked. I've let them stand still a bit too much on the oil, but just like sausages, so the meatballs now are ready. My pasta's almost ready. So what I'm going to do now, to this, there are the meatballs. Just turn the heat down because I'm cooking a bit too much. All I'm going to do now is take that sauce that we made yesterday with the egg mushroom. In there like that. And it was a little bit too hot. So now I've got that spicy tomato sauce with my meatballs. That took just 2 minutes to make in a sauce. And all I've got to do now is drain the pasta. Add the pasta to it. Give it a quick stir, mix up. Like that. There we go. Nicely mixed up. What I'm now going to do is add just a little bit more pepper. And I'm also just going to give it a dash of oil over the top. And we're done. There we have. In the time it takes to cook the pasta, which was 10 minutes, we prepared the rest, the meatballs and the sauce, and finished. It's a 10-minute dish. And here we come with this lovely pasta with meatball. Just get this onto the plate now. There we go. Get a few more meatballs in there. Got a bit left over for my daughter, who loves this dish, by the way. There we go. Just got one more meatball to put it on the top. Doesn't that look nice? I can't wait to get stuck into that. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley over it just to freshen it up, make it look nice and all. But it also adds that bit of freshness to it. There you go. One plate of pasta with meatballs in 10 minutes. On this particular one, I'm going to also put a bit of cheese over the top. Like that. Voila! How simple is that, and how delicious is that? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. That's what I call real world cooking, because it's based on very simple ingredients. Also to note, it was based on a sauce that we made yesterday. Now that sauce that we made yesterday, give it a try. because you could even save that like I did to make a very quick pasta dish. It's also the base of many other pasta dishes. So try and crack that one, and you've cracked it for hundreds of different types of pasta dishes, believe me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's given you some ideas of making some simple plain meals, which are tasty. Believe me, I can't wait to get into that plate of pasta with meatballs. So if you like it, remember, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. Take care out there, won't you? Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next recipe. Bye now.